God.
See what's happening? See what I got to deal with? This is what I got to deal with today. Anyway, welcome to Arch's Garage. This is my friend Olivia, and today is the super clean giveaway rules and instructions. I don't know, something like that, right? I'm going to tell you guys all about it. We're going to give away some really cool super clean products, right? Stupid clean. I shouldn't say that. It's nice. It's really good. Super clean, right? It's good stuff. I love it. I use it all the time.
Why would you be offending your own sponsor?
I'm not offending anybody. Well, I'm just offensive, right? So, like I said, somewhere in this video. Anyway, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Let's get started. All right, everybody, we're back, and what we're going to do today is we're going to test out Super Clean. All right, we got some really cool products here. This is the foamy. She wants to try out the foamy, right? Again, my friend Olivia. She wants to try out the foamy version. It's actually pretty good. It works pretty good. And this is the regular spray. So we're going to go outside in the yard, and we're going to pull out two really gross, greasy, old tractors. One of them's going to be a parts tractor. That's the green one. And we're going to use some of the parts for the red one, the little MTD that's out there. So we're going to go out there right now and let's get started, and stay tuned because in a little bit we're going to tell you about what you got to do, right, to get some cool products from Super Clean for yourself, all right? So we'll see you in a bit. Let's get cleaning.
Red has favoritism.
A few moments later.
So I recommend starting off with the hose, guys, because it wets everything down. It's a water-based cleaner. So whatever you can get with the hose, right, and get everything wet. And then we're going to put the product on and let it sit, and we're going to try with the hose.
Make sure you get by the wheels too.
Yeah. You get all in there and everything.
In there?
Yeah, all in there. All in the first design. Just get everywhere.
Oh, that is disgusting. There's a lot of dirt in there.
Yep. Let me see what the pressure washer does.
Get a shot of all that crap in there. Look at all that.
Yeah. Nasty. And then this guy, we're going to do a little bit later too. I'm going to have to cover over the alternator. I'll get something for that. Okay, while she's doing that, I'm going to cover over the carburetor on the other machine, and we'll be back to apply the product.
5 minutes later.
Ooh, it looks like shaving cream.
Yeah, but just don't get it on your fingers for too long. Foaming action goes to work for you, so you don't have to.
Only thing you have to do is rinse it off and try not to breathe it in. Damn.
All right, guys, for those of you that don't have a pressure washer, we're going to do a rinse test first. We're going to use the hose. Olivia's going to rinse everything off and see what it looks like. We'll get in close and see how good it did. Let me get out of the way because she already got me wet. That's clean.
It's not clean. It's super clean.
It's super clean.
Meanwhile.
It's like Camp Arch. Oh, you ran over the poop. You ran over the poop.
Oh.
Look. That's nasty.
Sorry.
Oh. Oh. That's gross. All right, we'll rinse it off.
And
Oh.
get in the front. We even used up most of the super clean on the vehicles, but now is the part where we give the rules for you to get your own super clean, which can clean almost anything. Step 1, you have to be subscribed to the channel. Step 2, your subscription has to be public so that Arch can see it. And step 3, email Arch at his email address. Email the word SpongeBob in the subject, and then you are entered in to win yourself some super clean. Follow those 3 steps, and voila. Fail. How does it feel to have failed so badly?
I know. Failing is fun.
Interesting. Back to you, Patricia.
Eventually.
Hi guys.
Hola,
Hi.
amigos.
All right, everybody, that's the end of this video, and thanks for watching. And I want to say thank you to all the everybody that's been watching, and to all the subscribers. Right, I couldn't do it without you guys, and I would have never thought I would have even got this far. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. I want to say thank you to Olivia for helping me today and helping us all. Don't forget the special word. Send me an email, and on the next video, I'm going to announce the winner. I don't know if it's going to be live or if it's just going to be a video. It may be whatever. We got this done. This thing was really, really dirty, and I'd like to part this out. Although this may be kind of a better tractor than that. That thing's just kind of cool. That's the one I want to keep. We're going to take some parts off of this, put it on there, and hopefully we can get that running, and maybe that's what you'll see in the next one. So I had a lot of fun. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Arch's Garage. Super clean. Don't forget. Super clean. Arch's Garage. Like and subscribe. Do it. Do it now. Just do it. Just get it done.
Do it or else.
Thank you. Do it now. What do you want them to do?
Subscribe and like.
Yes. Yes. Get that done. See you guys in a bit. Thank you.